Hello, let me show you how you can connect your Motorola Moto G86 5G into the external monitor and basically use this one as your mobile desktop. So it will look like that. You will actually get the app drawer and it will look similar to the Windows or Chromebook. Okay, so first of all, you will have to turn on your TV and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. And you have to make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your Motorola phone. Now on your Motorola, you will have to go into the settings, and now you will have to enter for connected devices, go to the connection preferences and make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth, just like this. Now you will have to go back to this screen with connected devices and select Smart Connect, click to add device and select your display or PC. In my case, I'm going to show you how it looks on TV. So I'm selecting Smart TV and monitors. Now you should actually get some kind of the request for accepting permissions. So you have to accept all of them. And now at the top, you can find your display. So you have to just tap on it. And on your display, you should get this parent request. So you will have to accept by clicking OK button. In my case, it's not appear because I already did it. And now you will get this screen. I will highly recommend you to turn off that mouse icon, which is located here. You will have to click on it. And now you will get the normal trackpad. Take a look. So what you have to do with this trackpad, you have to select mobile desktop and simply click like so. Now as you can see, here we are. So we can use your phone screen as a mouse. Take a look. You are just sliding your finger over the screen, and that's basically it. Of course, there's a lot of gestures that you can learn. So to reach them, you will have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner just over here. And now select trackpad tutorial and display settings. So here in the trackpad tutorial, we get all the basics, gestures, air mouse, everything, every gestures that you can learn to use that feature. And that's basically it. Thanks for